Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is the closest planet to Earth in terms of size and composition. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Venus has a similar structure to Earth, with a rocky surface and an atmosphere. However, the conditions on Venus are extremely hostile, making it one of the most inhospitable places in the solar system. Here are some key features and characteristics of Venus. 1. Size and distance. Venus has a diameter of approximately 7,520 miles, 12,104 kilometers, making it slightly smaller than Earth. It orbits the Sun at an average distance of about 67 million miles, 108 million kilometers. 2. Atmosphere. Venus has a thick atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide, about 96%. It also contains traces of nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, and other gases. The atmosphere creates a runaway greenhouse effect, leading to scorching temperatures and extreme pressure at the surface. 3. Surface. Venus has a solid, rocky surface covered by basaltic plains and several large shield volcanoes. The planet's surface is marked by numerous impact craters, lava flows, and a few highland regions. However, due to Venus' dense atmosphere, it is challenging to study its surface in detail. 4. Extreme temperature. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, with surface temperatures reaching about 900 degrees Fahrenheit for 175 degrees Celsius. This extreme heat is a result of the thick atmosphere trapping the sun's energy. 5. Atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is about 92 times greater than Earth's, equivalent to the pressure experienced at a depth of around 3,000 feet, 900 meters underwater on Earth. This high pressure is caused by the massive weight of the atmosphere above it. 6. Rotation. Venus rotates on its axis very slowly, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. Additionally, unlike most other planets in the solar system, Venus is known for its retrograde rotation, meaning it rotates in the opposite direction to its orbit around the Sun. 7. No moons. Venus does not have any moons or natural satellites orbiting around it. Venus is a fascinating planet with many mysteries that scientists are still exploring. Multiple missions have been sent to Venus to study its atmosphere and surface, unraveling some of its secrets. But much remains to be discovered about this inhospitable and intriguing neighbor of Earth. Certainly, here are some additional details about Venus. Rate. Thick cloud cover. Venus has a dense cloud cover that obscures its surface from direct observation. These clouds are composed mainly of sulfuric acid droplets, creating a thick layer that reflects sunlight and contributes to the planet's high albedo. 9. Lack of water. Unlike Earth, Venus has a virtually non-existent water cycle. Its high surface temperatures cause any water vapor to rapidly evaporate into the atmosphere. The extreme heat also prevents liquid water from existing on the planet's surface. 10. Retrograde motion. As mentioned earlier, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to its orbit around the Sun. This retrograde motion, also known as a retrograde spin, is a distinctive feature shared with Uranus. The exact cause of this unique rotation is still not fully understood. 11. Lengthy day-night cycle. Venus has an incredibly long day-night cycle due to its slow rotation. While a year on Venus lasts about 225 Earth days, a day on Venus, the time it takes for one complete rotation, is equivalent to 243 Earth days, making it longer than its year. This means that a day on Venus is longer than its year. 12. Volcanic activity. Venus is volcanically active, with evidence of past and potentially ongoing volcanic eruptions. These eruptions have created vast plains of hardened lava and extensive volcanic structures on the planet's surface. 13. Lack of magnetic field. Unlike Earth, Venus has a weak or non-existent global magnetic field. The absence of a magnetic field allows the planet's atmosphere to be directly exposed to the solar wind, resulting in erosion and loss of lighter molecules, such as hydrogen. 14. Exploration missions. Several spacecraft have been sent to Venus for exploration purposes. Notable missions include the Soviet Union's Venera program and NASA's Magellan spacecraft, which extensively mapped Venus's surface using radar. 15. Potential for extreme life. despite the inhospitable conditions on Venus's surface. Some scientists hypothesize that life might exist in the planet's atmosphere. At altitudes where temperatures and pressures are milder, it is possible that microbial life could survive in the form of airborne organisms. Venus continues to inspire scientific curiosity and exploration. Future missions, such as NASA's upcoming Veritas and Da Vinci Plus, aim to further enhance our understanding of this fascinating planet's geology, atmosphere, and history.
Hey there, if you're finding this content interesting and engaging, why not show your support and give me a like? It helps me know that I'm creating content that resonates with you. And while you're at it, consider subscribing to the channel as well. By subscribing, you'll never miss any future updates and you'll be part of this amazing community. Thank you for your support.